Hey there, my awesome learners. Welcome back to day 5 of your English Shadowing Challenge. You've already made it this far, 5 days of focus, practice, and progress. That's amazing! Today, we'll work on motivation sentences that keep your energy high and your confidence strong. Before we jump into today's shadowing session, make sure you're ready to stay consistent and confident. If you're enjoying this challenge, please like this video to keep the motivation going. And please subscribe so you don't miss the next day's lesson. It's all part of your 7-day journey to fluency. Make sure you're in a quiet space where you can speak freely and clearly. Remember, shadowing means listening carefully and repeating right after me, matching my tone, rhythm, and energy. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on staying confident and consistent. All right, let's get started with today's shadowing practice. I study every day and I keep improving. I study every day and I keep improving. I study every day and I keep improving. I believe in my ability to learn. I believe in my ability to learn. I believe in my ability to learn. Every mistake helps me grow stronger. Every mistake helps me grow stronger. Every mistake helps me grow stronger. I speak with confidence and clarity. I speak with confidence and clarity. I speak with confidence and clarity. My English gets better with every word I say. My English gets better with every word I say. My English gets better with every word I say. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I keep going even when it feels hard. I keep going even when it feels hard. I keep going even when it feels hard. I enjoy learning new things every day. I enjoy learning new things every day. I enjoy learning new things every day. I am becoming more fluent and natural. I am becoming more fluent and natural. I am becoming more fluent and natural. I trust the process of learning. I trust the process of learning. I trust the process of learning. Great job so far. Take a deep breath. How do you feel? Notice how your voice sounds more confident now. You're not just repeating words, you're building habits of success. Let's keep going with more powerful sentences. I express myself clearly and calmly. I express myself clearly and calmly. I express myself clearly and calmly. I am confident when I speak English. I am confident when I speak English. I am confident when I speak English. I learn from every conversation I have. I learn from every conversation I have. I learn from every conversation I have. I am proud of how far I've come. I am proud of how far I've come. I am proud of how far I've come. I keep learning, I keep growing, I keep shining. I keep learning, I keep growing, I keep shining. I keep learning, I keep growing, I keep shining. Fantastic work today! You've completed day 5 of your shadowing challenge. You're not just practicing English, you're training your mind to stay positive and confident. If you enjoyed today's practice, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the challenge grow. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me which sentence motivated you the most today. Finally, share this challenge with a friend who's also learning English. Let's grow and speak confidently together. Remember, progress is built one sentence, one day, one effort at a time. Keep your energy high, and I'll see you in day 6.